Why did I get out of bed this morning? What a day. No action, quiet as can be, big rally. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update, and here we are. And as I said in the opening, why did I get out of bed today? Quiet, the baby sleeping. Terrible. Quiet as could be. Markets big rally. Can't take that away from it. Markets open higher, continued higher, but really didn't do much all day long. Volatility continues to fall. Now, as I look at the VIX, it wasn't down as much as it should have been based on the rally in the market. The Dow did finally catch up to the S&P a little bit by overperforming it today, but at the end of the day, you had NASDAQ new highs, Russell new highs, S&P and Dow both higher. But we were at a key inflection point here, a key decision point on whether or not the markets are going to break out to the upside and the next leg will be up, which is very possible, or we're at the top end of the range and we'll fall back down. With a day like today, with the volume, it's really hard to call anything. So we will continue with our observation and neutral call as we watch these markets here, trying to get a clue of what they want to do. It looks like they want to break to the upside. So unless there is some major geopolitical event or something that happens that brings some fear into the market, we can once again see, as they say, the fear is gone. But we saw gold relatively unchanged for the day. Oil got hit again. See, surprise, surprise. The bonds got clobbered, which is no surprise as we continue to look for higher interest rates and a stronger dollar. And the dollar was a little bit lower today, but again, we expect the dollar to check that 93 level before breaking out through 95 on its way to par. But the picture is pretty clear. It's quiet. There's not a lot to do. There's no reason to get overly aggressive or overly involved in this market. The media continues to talk up the trade wars, which I think actually spooked the grains a little bit today, put a little pressure there. But this is a media-driven sell-off in the grains, in my opinion, not a regular sell-off. I'm not surprised that prices came down a little bit. I thought that wheat was a buy around 510, which I bought. I thought corn was a buy around 393, 394, which I bought. And I think soybeans we have to see what they do at $10. As we've said all along, those are the key levels. So we'll see how this works out. But as far as the trade wars, I think this is being more driven by the media creating fear versus actually really what's going on. Because if you heard them talk to some of the farmers today out there, it has not affected anything. And what do you think is going to happen if we move and there's a problem? Well, then somebody else is going to have to buy our grains because there is not enough in Brazil to buy them. So we're going to see a rotation. Again, I don't see this as a problem. I think this is more of a media story. The meats were lower today. Not too bad. Again, not a surprise. I think there's a little bit more room on the downside before we charge up and go back to the upside. In the meantime, I still love the ag space, looking for opportunities to buy. Equities, I'm still rather neutral, looking at individual issues. You saw retail take off today. Again, is this real now? Is the retail ice age over? I would tend to doubt it, but we'll see how it trades out. This is probably more of a selling opportunity in the retail, but we're going to continue to watch. Again, we're not going to get anything too aggressive here until we see, excuse me, a reason to become aggressive. So we'll sit back and relax. And Bitcoin was very quiet today as well. So everything was very, very quiet today. A lack of volume, a lack of volatility, a lack of any real excitement. So what we'll do is we'll check it out and see what happens tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow with more of Bubba's Daily Update. But in the meantime, we're going to stay neutral, observing, and on the sidelines watching the general markets, looking for individual issues to trade. That's the way I see it. This is Todd Bubba Horowitz, Bubba's Daily Update. And remember, check out our highschoolinvesting.com website. If you'd like to help us out, go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Also, don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. Have a great day, everybody. Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow, same time, same station. Bubba's Daily Update.